I didn't hear the plan.
We're gonna go up all the way to the top, and then take a right into humble pie.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh.
That's not good.
Yeah. Nice.
That's not a lot of meant to take.
See, even though it's got a zigzag line, I always try to go right up the middle.
Yep.
That's the goal. The goal to really do it is right up the middle all the way. I mean, you can zigzag, anybody can zigzag and make it.
Did I go up the middle?
But if you go up the middle all the way, no. Look, Gavin's trying. See, that's the middle. Oh, now he went right. Now he's stuck. Oh! That was the middle, Keith. Yeah! That's the middle line. Yeah, that's if you say you made it up, Big Mama, that you made it up if you rode the middle.